Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to easily create amazing images using Google Gemini. First, fire up your favorite browser and head over to the Google Gemini website. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If you are a free user, you'll be using the standard Gemini model. But if you have the Google One AI Premium plan, you will see an option for Gemini Advanced right at the top. To get a feel for how the image generation works, you can start with one of the sample requests on the main screen. If you see any highlighted words in the suggestion, you can actually click to replace them with your own ideas. Then just hit the submit arrow. Gemini will let you know it is creating the image with Imagen 3, and then your picture will pop right up. Once you are ready to create your own from scratch, start a new chat and type out a detailed description. Be sure to include both what is happening in the scene and the artistic style you want. For example, you could type something like, create an oil painting of a group of Vikings battling a large fire-breathing dragon with snow-capped mountains in the background. When you're ready, hit submit and Gemini will generate a custom image that matches your description. From there, you can give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, or click the share icon to send it to someone, export it to Google Docs, attach it to a Gmail message, or download your images directly to your device as a zip file. If the image is not exactly what you wanted, don't worry. Just click the Edit Text button next to your original prompt, add some more details or change your directions, and click Update to generate a brand new version. And that's all there is to it. If you found this quick guide helpful, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of images you are going to generate first. See you next time.